The more of these common health issues you have, the older your brain appears on MRI. In fact, these issues are so common that 1 in 3 Americans are likely dealing with a brain that is aging faster than the rest of their body. A new study just presented at the last Alzheimer's Association International Conference looked at more than 27,000 adults and found that people with metabolic syndrome had brains that looked older on MRI than their actual age. Metabolic syndrome means having at least 3 of these 5 things: high blood sugar, high blood pressure, excess abdominal fat, high triglycerides, or low HDL. And here's where it gets interesting. The more of these risk factors people had, the older their brains appeared. 3 risk factors were linked to a brain that looked about 1 year older. 4 risk factors were linked to nearly 2 years of additional brain aging. And all 5 were linked to a brain that looked more than 2 years older. Researchers also found connections involving inflammation, fatty acids, and markers like ApoB, all of which help explain how metabolic syndrome affects the brain. This doesn't prove that metabolic syndrome directly causes brain aging, but it reinforces something important. What protects your heart and metabolism may also protect your memory. So don't wait until you're worried about dementia to start paying attention to blood pressure, insulin resistance, triglycerides, HDL, and waist circumference. Send this to someone who needs to know and comment "study" to receive a link to this new research.